As I always say, the purpose of life is to live to its fullest form, is to taste every experience. Hi, this is Shaheen here and I am presenting you one of the luxury and the premium property as Godrej Rivercrest. And it is located in one of the finest cities of developing areas of Pune, that is Manjri. Come, let's experience the premium and the ultra luxury segments of this properties. Come. I am in between of natures where this serenity is spread in 2 acres of land parcel with that luxury and the premium segment that you can see here. Imagine you being around the nature with that urban chaos around you, but making your life more easy and hassle-free. Yes, you're right. I am talking about the Rivercrest, which is association with Godrej Properties Pune, and I am here representing you one of the finest and the luxury properties in Pune. Talking about this property, which is spread across whole of the nature and giving you a riverside view. Imagine how life is going to be easy and amazing around this nature. This whole property has been spread across 2 acres of land parcel with 39 story of township, and also gives you a 4 and 3 BHK flat apartment where you get 4 flats on each floor. You get the finest amenities out here where your life is going to be more easy so that you and your kids and your grandparents could enjoy all of that luxury lifestyle on your doorsteps. Imagine you having a dance floor, you having a gym, a well-equipped area to maintain your own lifestyle and your luxury with different 20 amenities, which you get privileged on having at top of the terrace and maybe on the ground level too. A 3 sets of, that is a 3 level of amenities where you get a privilege to enjoy all of the amenities at your doorsteps. Now, let's move ahead and have a look of this sample flat that I am really excited to watch around. But let me tell you, the whole property is Vastu compliance and you get to know the serenity of the nature within your motherland and your lovelihood. Come. Hi, so today I am here at Godrej Rivercrest. This property is one of the finest of all the properties I've ever seen before. So, coming ahead with this is our entrance lobby with a digital lock attached to your door. Let me just close it. Okay, so this is your entrance lobby. The whole property is Vastu compliance, and this is your ultra luxury living room where you get a niche space for your dining area, and this is gonna be your living space area. Look at this, how rich, luxury and easy this is, right? And the best part I love about any living room is where you get an attached balcony out there. Now guess what? If I was the one who would be staying here, I would love to craft this balcony in such a way that I could have a direct view towards the riverside. So you get a front view facing towards a riverside, and guess what? Let me just have a moment enjoying this nature around. Just for 1 minute maybe, because I couldn't stop taking my eyes out of this luxury where I get a deck area which is directly attached with my living room. Imagine me having a guest at my place and I could have the best time of my life over here, having a sipping of coffee at this space and maybe making this place look more elegant and decorative and aesthetic in the way you want it. For your safety, we do have the glass railing and the railings out here to maintain your safety and your privacy. Where your upper deck has been closed, you get a more privacy reserved for you and your loved ones. Come, let's go ahead and look into our kitchen area. So, moving ahead to our kitchen area. But before that, let me talk about this niche space that is our dining area. Imagining you having a time-free What I mean is actually saving your time, you getting your food ready from the kitchen and coming down at the dining area and having a good time with your family, your friends and your loved ones. Let's move ahead towards our kitchen area. Come. If I talk about the Godrej, one thing that is, it talks only about luxury. Something that could sustain for a long period of time. Something that would maintain its own luxury in its own way. Of course. So here I am at this kitchen space area, which is directly attached with your living room, where you get a platform attached with the sink out there, and of course a dry balcony out there where you could have your dishwasher or maybe the washing machine at the dry balcony out here. And look how spacious it is. That's really nice, where you get an attached tap over here. Also an extra platform out here so that you can use this space for your kitchen space for cutting veggies or something like that. And then here is an attached sink where for a ventilation you also get an extra window out here. Now you could customize and alter the space by placing some cupboards on the top and some at the down. Okay, now let's move towards our bedroom, but before that let me show you something. So here is the common washroom that you could use it for your guest. Have a look at this. Now, why did I put so much of pressure saying that let me show you something and then showing off the common washroom is because that is the best part of maintaining our privacy these days. And I believe that when you have a joint family out here with your kids, you need something extra for the guest which is coming at your home. And now let's move towards our kids' bedroom. This is so lovely and so cuddling free. Like, I am amazed looking at this space, how lovely it has been altered. Look at this. So maybe this could give you an overview to alter the space for your kids. Imagining taking some space out here for the wardrobe area. Maybe this is an area where they could just get ready. This could be the space for the study table, or maybe it could be for their workspace. Also, this could be an niche area where they could move hassle-free, and again another balcony for your kids so they could have a lovely time spending out here within the nature. That's what we wanted. Have a look at this. Almost like so many properties out here, but I've never seen any properties coming up with an attached balcony for your kids. Imagine your kids growing up and having their own personal space, and this could be another bedroom turning up for their future family. Who never knows it? But for now, this is gonna be an extra niche balcony space for your kids, and they're gonna have their outdoor activities happening over here with extra safety out here with a tempered glass, and also the railing out here. And again, maintaining the privacies from the top so that you have your privacy even maintained. Now, let's move towards another bedroom. Before that, I want you to tell you is the whole space is Vastu compliant with all of those luxury amenities out here. Make sure you book your space here, give us a call, and also come down for a site visit. Come. So, moving ahead, now this is gonna be your future grandparents' room if they wish to stay with you and having that luxury amenities out here at your space. This is really spacious. Look at the space. Now imagine you having your parents here at your space and you having a very hustle-free life, actually not having any sort of tensions, because again they get a view towards the riverside because they get an again attached balcony. I am just mesmerized with this because kids are also having a balcony. Your hall also, that's your living space, also has a balcony. Your parents actually could enjoy that serenity of nature by having a sip of tea and a coffee at that open space out there. I was really amazed by the setup that has been placed here. This is just a sample flat, but it actually feels like a home. This is similarly placed. If my parents would have been here, they would have been pleased looking at the property, the way it has been designed and altered, and you could have the same overview for your own future home. Look at this. We could have a good tea time with our family over here and enjoy the serenity of nature again. And again, maintaining the privacies and your safety is the first part for the Godrej properties. Okay, now let's move ahead towards one of my favorite, that's the master bedroom. Come down. Oh, how could I miss this on? Before moving towards the bedroom, that's master bedroom, this is what you get attached with your bedroom, that is the washroom for your grandparents. So again, they could have their own privacy, of course not the grandparents but your own parents, and the grandparents for your kids. Look at this, how spacious it is. You get the fittings from Toto and the Kohler, one of the leading brands for the fittings too. Come, let's move ahead towards our master bedroom. This is a passage area. Again, I couldn't mention that earlier, but yeah, of course, that's a passage area. And look at this. This is really a grand master bedroom. Why would I say it as a grand? Because look at the space. Amazing, right? It has been altered in such a way so that we have a quite spacious space out here. We could enjoy our time with our families and we could have an extra space for a wardrobe area. But let me tell you something, we have an attached wardrobe area with this master bedroom. Look behind you. Did you see that? You get an attached walk-in wardrobe area. One of my favorite, because that is gonna be the easiest part of getting ready as me being a woman, of course. And now let's go ahead. In this area, you're gonna get is an attached balcony again. I am just amazed by having 3 different balconies to all of my spaces out here. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, this is really amazing. I get 1 more balcony attached. What are you waiting for? Come down, book an appointment and look at this space. It's really amazing. Come here. This is gonna be your working space. If you guys are working from work from home, after the COVID, we have been held into a very good concept where we could have a good time with our family, work from home. Of course, you could be working from the home and you get a walk-in wardrobe area here. This is lovely. And that corner is gonna be a corner of getting ready, a dressing corner, I would say, where I could just sit down and get ready and put up my jewelries and look more pretty and beautiful as always. And this is your washroom attached with your wardrobe area. Look how spacious is this. Again, talking about the fittings, they are from Kohler and Toto, one of an amazing leading fitting brands for the washroom areas. Come ahead. Let me talk more about this space because you get enough niche space out here to alter it the way you want it, where you can use it for your study time, reading time, or maybe the working time. Maybe if not a frame over here, this could be an extra wardrobe area over here too, and that could be a niche space area for you where you can again have a coffee table out there, so you can just sip off a coffee and go down and enjoy the view. I hope you have loved this property and I believe that you will be coming down at this space and looking for the sample flats out here. We are here closing this video saying that thank you and we're waiting for your call.